Hey, it's Skillbyte here. And if you watched my video review of a garage shop workbench power strip a couple weeks ago, you know that I had one that ate my favorite extension cord. So I got a replacement. This one's from Leadchuang. Now it's 25 feet. I don't usually need a 50-foot or a 100-foot extension cord. 25 feet is normally plenty in a garage. So it can be 16 gauge and still do 13 amps. And I like that they actually say it on the box. Some of them, they won't give you any information on this. And it comes with an extension cord strap. All right, here's the strap. Yep, works well. You can actually put a much bigger extension cord on it. It is light because it has a locking connection, so I don't have to worry about my tool coming unplugged. Just press it, and that'll let you unplug it. And it's 13 amps will power my power tools. That's not a problem. As you can see, it's got plenty of distance to get out here in to the driveway even. And the lock does work, which is awesome. I have these hedge trimmers, electric hedge trimmers. Yeah, they're really old, but they work. They're always coming unplugged. Not anymore. And like I said, it has plenty of power for power tools. Now, I've used other Leadchuang products and they have worked well for me, so I trust them. And this is honestly a really good extension cord. Short, light, 25 feet, 13 amps, meets 80% of my needs in the garage workshop. So I do recommend them. There is a link in the description, and I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.